So now in the second part of temperature units, let's have some examples. So the first example is normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Convert this temperature to the Celsius and Kelvin scale. So if you want to show it, so here we have this scale. So if we see here, we have 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and the reference point, we can assume it as melting point temperature of water or freezing point temperature of water, which is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So the difference here is 66.6 degree Fahrenheit. So if you want to convert it to Celsius, you remember we had this ratio to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So after conversion, we have 37.0 degrees Celsius. So that's gonna show the difference. So here 32 degree Fahrenheit, here we have 0 degree Celsius. So we just need to add this 37 degrees Celsius to the 0. So the answer will be here, will be 37 degrees Celsius. Now we need to convert it to Kelvin as well. So here in the conversion from centigrade or Celsius to Kelvin is just to change the 0 point. So here we have the temperature in Celsius, which is 37. We need to just add 273.15 to it. So 37 plus 273.15 is going to give us 310.2 Kelvin. So as you see here, we have 32 degree Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, and here we have 273.15. So here we have 66.6, which is equivalent to 37 degrees Celsius, and it's going to be 37 Kelvin. So 37 plus 273.15 is going to give us 310.2 Kelvin, which we have it here. Let's see next example. Liquid nitrogen, which is often used as a coolant for low temperature experiments, has a boiling point of 77 Kelvin. What's this temperature on the Celsius scale? So that's very simple. So we said when we want to convert temperature in Kelvin to temperature in Celsius, we need to just subtract 273.15. So 77 minus 273.15 is going to give us minus 196 degrees Celsius. Next example, convert minus 459 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius and Kelvin. So if you remember, in part 1 we had this equation to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So 5/9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So here we have minus 459 minus 32, and we need to calculate this one and multiply it by 5/9. So the answer will be minus 273 degrees Celsius. So now to convert Celsius to Kelvin, we need to just add 273 or 273.15. So minus 273 degrees Celsius plus 273 is going to give us 0 Kelvin. This is the lowest temperature that we can achieve, which is equal to 0 Kelvin or minus 273 degrees Celsius or minus 459 degree Fahrenheit. Next example, convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius and Kelvin scale. So here we had this equation before, 5/9. In bracket we have minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So this one is going to give us minus 72 multiplied by 5 divided by 9, and it's going to give us minus 40 degrees Celsius. So as you can see here, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit and minus 40 degrees Celsius, the magnitude is equal in this case. So let's calculate the temperature in terms of Kelvin. So here we have minus 40 degrees Celsius. If we add 273, we're gonna get 233 Kelvin. Next example, convert 68 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius and Kelvin scale. So 5/9, we have 68 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So this one is gonna give us 36 multiplied by 5 divided by 9 is gonna give us 20 degrees Celsius. And when we want to calculate Kelvin, 20 plus 273 is going to give us 293 Kelvin. Convert 39.2 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. So first of all, we need to convert it to Fahrenheit. So 9/5 times temperature in Celsius, and after that we need to add 32. So 9/5 times 39.2 plus 32. The answer will be 102.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now we need to find Kelvin. So it is easier to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So we have 39.2 and we need to add 273, or sometimes 273.15, or sometimes 273.2. 273.15 is the more accurate one. So 312.4 Kelvin is gonna be the final answer. Convert minus 25 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. So again, 9/5 times minus 25, and after calculation we need to add 32. So the answer will be minus 13 degree Fahrenheit. Now for finding Kelvin, we just need to add 273 to minus 25. So the answer will be 248 degree Kelvin. Next example, convert 801 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scales. So 9/5 times 801 plus 32. So the answer will be 1470 degree Fahrenheit. For finding Kelvin, we have 801 plus 273 is going to give us 1074 Kelvin. So these are all the calculations we need to do from for conversion, temperature conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Fahrenheit to Kelvin.